Forecast.
And you may see a stray shower the next couple hours, Rodney. Then we're going to dry out this afternoon. Essentially, there's a 10% chance of rain between noon and 3 p.m. And then for your Friday night activities, it will be dry. It's a very weak cold front that's moving in, that's bringing us that scattered light rain. It's really been focused north of the city through the morning. It is hard pressed to find anywhere where there's actually rain falling. Seen a little in Forsyth County, maybe a few raindrops in Banks County, maybe a few raindrops up towards Chattanooga. The rest of us are dry. And taking you through your Futurecast model, you can see again, outside of a stray shower north of the city, most areas will stay dry today. It will be pretty cloudy when the kids get out of school. We're well into the 70s. So those clouds do not hold temperatures down. You can see for your Friday night, we're still sitting near 70 degrees at 8 p.m. A really pleasant night ahead. Partly cloudy overnight. We may see some patchy morning fog to start your Saturday. Saturday starts in the low 60s, so really mild tomorrow morning, and you're looking at a very warm Saturday. Split weekend for you. It will be dry through the weekend, but it'll be really warm on Saturday and noticeably cooler on Sunday. 82 degrees is the high tomorrow. That is near record warmth under partly cloudy skies. Mostly cloudy on Sunday, low 70s. By Sunday, I want to remind you guys, daylight savings ends this weekend, which means we fall back. The clocks go back an hour Sunday at 2 p.m., which means the sun will set at 5:43 p.m. on Sunday. So be aware of that. If you're headed to vote next Tuesday, it still looks very mild. Morning lows in the low 60s, afternoon highs in the mid 70s. So you don't need to plan on extra layers, but there is a chance for a stray shower or two on Tuesday morning of next week. So just want to go ahead and alert you that we could see a tiny bit of rain for Election Day on Tuesday, but much higher rain chances arrive towards the end of next week. We desperately need the rain, guys. October was tied for the driest month ever on record in Atlanta. We only picked up a trace of rain, okay? We're watching this area in the Caribbean that the National Hurricane Center now has increased to a 70% chance that a tropical depression or tropical storm could form early next week. Whatever does form looks like it will slowly drift into the Gulf of Mexico. I do not see a high chance for a hurricane or a major storm, but that moisture will increase across the southeast. So the rain outlook for the end of next week, you can see unseasonably wet weather is likely to take over for the southeast. So at the end of next week, just beyond the 7-day forecast Friday into next weekend, that is our next best chance for rain. Let's cross our fingers we can get in on some of that rain. Guys, we're at peak leaf color right now. Because it's been so dry, those leaves are going to fall off the trees quickly. So take some pictures of the trees this weekend. Here's your 7-day forecast. Not a single first alert weather day. Again, we dry out this week, we warm up. We will start Monday on quite a cool note. Many of you will be in the 60s, and then we warm right back up into the low 80s by the middle of next week.